Hey y'all, it's me Alex. Today I have a tutorial on this look. It's kind of my St. Patrick's Day kind of look. Now I'm not super into like celebrating St. Patrick's Day, like I'm part Irish, but like it's not, you know, kind of a big thing that I do. I don't go out and like get drunk and dance in parades and whatever. I, you know, save that for Pride. But I do like any good excuse to wear a bright green eyeshadow. So this is the look that I did. It is actually pretty simple to do, so without further ado, I'll just get started. Okay, so I already have my eyebrows done. I'm gonna wait until after I get part of my eye makeup done to do my foundation, but I'm going to first go in with my NYX HD Eyeshadow Primer. And then I'm going to use my e.l.f. Matte for Matte eyeshadow palette in Jewel Pop, and I'm gonna take that green shade on a Sonia Kashuk blending eye brush thing, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade. And you can really see how nice and pigmented this is, and you can just really build it up. This will be good because it's still a nice green, but it's a bit darker than the shade that we are going to put on the lids. And I'm also going to take that and put it towards the outer corner as well. So for the lid, I'm going to take the shade Iggy from Kat Von D's Metal Crush Eyeshadow Singles Collection, and I'm just going to use that on an e.l.f. eyeshadow brush and just kind of really pack it onto my lid. And I've actually heard that these shadows are being discontinued, which is really sad to me because they're such like a good formula. At the very least, I've seen them on sale on like Sephora. I think I'm going to be needing to pick up more of these because I really only have Iggy. Then I'm going to go back in with the matte green shade from the e.l.f. palette and use that to help blend things out and deepen it up. And then I'll take the really light nude shade from the e.l.f. palette, and I'm just going to apply that gently onto my brow bone. Okay, so now that I have that part done, I'm going to go do my foundation and be right back. So I'm back. As you can see, I have done my foundation and all of that. So now I'm gonna go back in with the green shade from the e.l.f. Matte for Matte palette, and I'm going to put that along my lower lash line. And I'm going to use this kind of flat, kind of fluffy brush to do it. And then I'll take my NYX Retractable eye pencil in black and use that along my lower waterline. Wow, I'm almost out of it. Rest at me, go me. And for my inner corner highlight, I will take the shade Green Emerald from my Kat Von D Alchemist Palette and just place that right in the middle of the corner. Now I'm going to use my Kat Von D ink liner in Trooper and create some winged eyeliner. I did not intend for these wings to be this big, but I kind of accidentally blinked while I was doing my eyeliner, so here we are. It looks cute. It looks cute though. This side looks cuter than that side, but. And now I'm gonna curl my lashes using my Ardell eyelash curler. And I'll finish off my eyes with my Urban Decay Perversion mascara. Now for my contour, I'm going to go into the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette with a Wet n Wild contour brush. I'm going to take a little bit of the darkest shade and use that at the very top of where I'm going to do my contour, on my cheeks anyway. And then I'll use the lighter shade and kind of bring that down more. And I'll use the light shade along my nose and along my jawline. And for my bronzer, I will use my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. For my highlight, I will use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in Blossom Glow. I'm going to use this on a Real Technique setting brush, and I will put that along my cheekbones as well as the bridge of my nose. I don't bring it down to like the button of my nose, but I do it along the bridge. And I'm also going to take it above my eyebrows a little bit. Not too far above the arch, but just enough to give myself a little bit of glow up there. And I'll put a little bit on my Cupid's bow too. For my blush, I'm going to use my Urban Decay Afterglow blush in Rapture. And I don't really like blend it so much as I kind of like dot it on my cheekbones whenever I do blush. Just because I'm not a super intense blush person, wow. So I think that kind of helps everything. And for my lipstick, I'm going to use this Makeup Monsters liquid lipstick in Luna. And then I'm just going to spritz a little bit of my NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. And this is the finished look. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe down below if you want to see more videos from me, and I will see you on my next one. Hope you'll have a wonderful day. Bye!